Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I just got a headset. I actually ordered this from my office to use it for my official communication purpose, and this got delivered today. Just wanted to show you how this thing is. This is a pretty costly headset, so if anyone is planning to buy this, I was thinking if I could tell you something about it which might help you decide if you want to buy this or not. So first of all, this costed me around 27,376 rupees, and it says Jabra Evolve 265, and it's a Evolve second version 65 Flex. So this Flex, as in like this is this can be connected to Bluetooth, and it can be completely used wirelessly. So it has a battery in it. Also, you can connect it with a wire connected directly to the system. So let's see how this is, and I haven't opened this box yet, so this is gonna be the first time I'm opening this box. First of all, let's see what's written on the box itself. Portable fold-up design, active noise cancellation is there, professional noise cancelling microphones, Bluetooth enabled to work anywhere. Okay, so here the MRP says it's 46,819, although my bill says it costed 27,000. So let's open the box now and see what's there inside it. It says it's what's inside that counts. That's why we have reduced our packaging. That's a nice initiative. Okay. Life is pretty good. Of course, it's got a blah blah blah. It says something to scan. Okay, there is a card. I don't know what it is for. Okay, just it shows how to connect this thing with your phone. Okay, so it says download Jabra Sound Plus app for your smartphone. You can control the different functionality through your phone itself once you download this app. And here we see something interesting. That is the box. I think headphone is there inside it, and I see a C2C cable came with it. So I think there is a C port inside the headset that we can connect with a laptop or cell phone, whatever you're using. It's a very nice thing. We have some documentation. I'm not gonna read it. What is this? Okay, see, there is something. Okay, it seems like it's a Bluetooth card. Okay, that's a pretty nice little Bluetooth card over there, and this looks really cute. You can easily connect this with your cell phone with this device. Okay, I'll keep it right there, don't wanna lose it. The headset is inside, and I see nothing else there in it. Okay, so this is the headset. This is how it looks. You can just fold it like this, and it would be easier for you to travel with this headset. Here it's completely leather finish. Inside this is also feels like a leather. This is very smooth. Opening and closing is gonna be quite comfortable. Yeah, and this is plastic. This thing is also seems plastic. and the microphone is right there. You can flip it out like this, and you can flip it back in. This microphone makes it much easier to use when you're traveling with this headset. We have a couple of buttons right there. I see a mute button here, volume up, play and pause, and volume down. And we have a USB-C output right there, and this is a power button, and also a Bluetooth connectivity button. The cushion over here feels so soft, and it almost seems like there is nothing in it. Might be there is a memory foam or something, but it is very soft. This is how it looks when I wear it on my head. I haven't even powered it on yet. It's already cancelling out a lot of noise around me. I'm just wondering how it would sound when I turn the ANC on. It feels great. Finally, I want to tell you that for communication purpose, this is going to be a wonderful headset that you would like. The microphone that it has in it that cancels out a lot of external noise. The person that you would be talking to on the other side would only be able to hear you, not the others who's speaking around you. I did try listening to music on this headset as well, but I'm, to be honest, not so satisfied with this. This headphone was not made for music consumption. The output is pretty decent. You can still be able to listen to a little bit of music during your work. That's absolutely fine. In compared to music headsets, it is not up to the mark. For communication, this is going to be a great headset, and also you'll be able to listen to music on the go. Alright, and that's pretty much all about this headset. If you have any queries, any specific queries regarding this headset, you can just drop a comment. I will answer that. Thank you for coming to TechX Pro. Hope you have a good day.